Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring a fascinating phenomena that's out of this world. Literally. Say hello to solar flare. What is a solar flare? A solar flare is a sudden and intense release of energy from the sun's surface. It's like a massive burst of radiation and high energy particles that shoot into space. Solar flares can occur several times a day, but most are small. Larger flares are less frequent, with X-class flares occurring about 10 to 20 times per year. It can release energy at incredible speed, up to 10 million km per hour. A single solar flare can release as much energy as billions of nuclear bombs. It can trigger spectacular aurora displays in a polar region, making them visible at lower latitude. Solar flares are caused by the buildup of magnetic energy in the sun's corona. When this energy is released, it can affect Earth's magnetic field, causing geometric storms and radio blackout. Let's talk about the impact of solar flares and coronal mass ejection (CMEs) effects on technological system. Geomagnetically induced currents (GICs) can flow through power grid lines, causing voltage fluctuations, power outage, and equipment damage. It can affect GPS accuracy and availability, impacting navigation and timing system. Radio blackout can occur when solar flares ionize the ionosphere, disrupting high-frequency radio communication. Moreover, these things can also be disturbed air travel and airlines, spacecraft operation, computer system, electric vehicles, and medical equipment. It's important to note that the likelihood and severity of those effects vary depending on the intensity and duration of the solar flare or CME, as well as the specific technologies and systems in use. Solar flares are classified based on their intensity, with smaller flares classified as B or C, moderate flares as M, and the largest flares as X. Let's talk about the biggest solar flare. The Carrington event is the largest solar storm ever recorded. In 1859, the Great Carrington event, generally regarded as Earth's greatest solar storm in recent history. It covered nearly the entire planet in aurora and even caused fires at multiple telegraph stations. Now let's see the most recent solar flare, which was occurred on May 11, 2024, when the sun released an X5.8 flare from active region AR3664. A series of powerful solar storm-colored skies across the northern hemisphere as people witnessed brilliant displays of the northern lights in the United States, Canada, Europe, China, and beyond. Well, now let's take a look at some myths here. Myth number 1. Solar flares can cause earthquake and volcanic eruptions. Reality. There is no scientific evidence to support this claim. Myth number 2. Solar flares can trigger massive power outages and grid failures. Reality, while solar flares can cause geomagnetic storms, they may affect power grids. The likelihood of a massive power outage is low. Myth number 3. Solar flares can destroy electronic devices and communication systems. Reality, solar flares can cause disruption, but most modern electronic devices and communication systems are designed to withstand them. Myth 4. Solar flares can cause planes to fall from the sky. Reality, solar flares do not pose a significant risk to aircraft safety. Myth number 5. Solar flares can cause massive solar storms that will destroy human civilization. Reality, While solar flares can be intense, they are not capable of causing extinction-level events. Myth 6. Solar flares are a sign of an impending ice age or climate change. Reality, solar flares have no direct impact on Earth's climate change or ice age. Myth number 7. Solar flares can affect human behavior and cause chaos. Reality, there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. On to the last myth. Myth 8. Solar flares can cause widespread internet outage. Reality, while solar flares can affect satellite communications, the internet is a decentralized system and is not likely to be completely shut down. That's it for today's video on solar flares. These powerful events remind us of the sun's incredible energy and its impact on our technological system. Thanks for watching, you guys, and make sure to turn on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and give a like to this video. And share with your friends to share this incredible message with them as well. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.